Hey, beautiful day, cold.
Perfect day, cold, and
So
it gets
nice.
colder tonight. Bundle up. We're talking about upper 20s, so temperature is going a little bit below normal for us tomorrow. And then we bring in some rain and even some fog too. We'll get to that in terms of your timeline for that. Current conditions here. Look at this Mount Hood. Great visibility for us from our downtown camera. Your temperature 45 degrees. Wind is out of the west at just 5 miles per hour. Dew point 35. Watch those temperatures drop quickly. As soon as we get to 7 o'clock, we're at 36. Then we're down to almost freezing even by 9 o'clock. And as soon as we get there, now we're closer to the dew point. And if we continue with a lack of wind, we could see some fog here in Portland. But more importantly, it'll be the areas lacking the wind that will most likely run into low visibility tonight. So let's talk about your extended forecast here for the next few days. As we get to tomorrow, you are completely dry. You are all dry tomorrow. In fact, in the early part of the day, you even have some nice sun breaks. But here comes the rain. That's for you Tuesday night through Wednesday into Thursday. Plenty of mountain snow. A winter storm watch will be in effect for the Cascades starting early Wednesday morning. So with that, we can see several inches of snow. We do expect some snow for our mountain passes, and then things start to warm up just a little bit for us and then cool back down. As we get to Thursday, notice we have a little bit of a break in the weather. This is Thursday evening. Southwest flow is in place. We get to Friday, southwest flow is still there. So now we transfer all that snow above our mountain passes. This takes us to Friday night. Saturday and Sunday, mostly a wet weekend ahead. That'll be your first weekend of the new year. A stronger southwesterly flow develops for us Saturday night, lasting through Sunday. Let's talk about that snow level, because as we get into Wednesday early in the morning, this is when we see our big dip in temperatures, so much so that we could see snow falling as low as about 1,500 feet. That'll be Wednesday early in the morning to Wednesday afternoon. As we get to Thursday and Friday, we expect that snow level to stay right there, right around 4,000 feet, and then climb for us Friday night up to about 5,000 feet. Let's talk about rain, because we got out of a really rainy period. Over this last weekend, we had more or less of a break. Now let's talk about how much rain we could see as we roll into the end of the week. Look at those totals. Now this could change quite a bit in the next couple of days, but as we look to Wednesday, Thursday, Friday into Saturday night, a potential of seeing upwards of 1.5 inches of rain for us here in the valley, perhaps closer to about 2.5 inches as you head north into Longview. Along the coast, 2 to 3 inches possible. Out towards Hood River, more than 1 inch expected. But from now through tomorrow, we are in this dry phase right here. This ridge of high pressure is in place. That'll help us out. But then again, that will also allow us to cool down enough so that in Hood River, in the upper Hood River Valley especially, we will once again be watching for the potential to see some snow closer to the freeway and certainly into the hills right around 500 to 1,000 feet. That'll be Wednesday early in the morning. Here's your weather pattern. There's the ridge breaking down. There's that trough. There's another ridge trying to build in as we get to the end of the weekend into Monday. More of a zonal flow is setting up for us. There's your 7-day forecast. So temperatures for you tomorrow, your daytime high 41. We bring in the rain late tomorrow night. And then temperatures overnight here in the valley will be in the mid-30s as we go to Wednesday morning. 47 for your high by the time we get to Wednesday. There you go, New Year's Eve and New Year's Day. Temperatures will be right around 50 to 49. More rain expected all the way through the weekend. We're going to stick with the upper 40s for you next Sunday and Monday. So every single day, the chance of rain as we get into the new year.
All right. Thank you, Natasha.